Seruiratu, do solemnly, sincerely, and truly declare and affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji according to law. I, Inia Seruiratu, being appointed minister, do solemnly, sincerely, and truly declare that I will, to the best of my judgment, at all times when so required, freely give my counsel and advice to the President or any other person for the time being lawfully performing the functions of that office for the good management of the public affairs of the state. And I do further solemnly, sincerely, and truly declare and affirm that I will not, on any account, at any time whatsoever, disclose the counsel, advice, opinion, or vote of any particular minister that I will not accept with the authority of a cabinet, and to such extent as may be required for the good management of the affairs of the state, directly or indirectly, reveal the business or proceedings of the cabinet, and that in all things I will be a true and faithful minister.